Girl, we're not look-alike, you know that, right? Maybe I'm your half-sister. Fail. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, you guys, is going to be a different video because your baby girl is going to transform as a Bratz doll. Yeah, I don't know how to do it, but I'm just gonna do it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I've seen this Bratz makeup challenge everywhere in my social media, and I watch James Charles, Dope 211. I think she's the original one who created this look, and I watch Nikki tutorials, and I was like, dang, they're just that good, aren't they? So I was like, you know what? Why not to try that thing? You know, transforming myself into Bratz doll. Like, I don't know how, but growing up in the village, like me, I did not experience to play a Barbie doll because we don't have it. We can't afford it. Back in 90s, damn old. Back in 90s, that thing is expensive, y'all. So I don't really have any idea of how they look like. I was so far behind as a kid. I only knew two dolls. Barbie doll and Chaka doll. So Bratz, I don't even know what Bratz until I was like, what, 20? I know you heard that right. It is what it is, you know. I'm gonna recreate myself into this girl right here. I was looking for not too complicated Bratz doll look and not too much wig, not too much accessories because I don't own any of that. I'm going to recreate her. I don't know how, but girl, I'm going to recreate you, okay? So let's just go ahead and create ourselves or transform ourselves into this bad girl right here. So yes. So to prime my face, you guys, I just don't know why I'm doing this. I don't have a talent of drawing, but who cares? So to prime my face, I will be using my Sephora, and this is a good primer. Alrighty. So for my foundation, you guys, I will be using my sample from Hourglass, and this is their new foundation. It's very thick, it's full coverage. We're gonna look like a porcelain baby doll today. Let's go ahead and paint our face. This is a very concentrated foundation, very thick. I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm going to cover all of these imperfections in my face because Bratz doll, they have a perfect complexion. Like I'm saying. So I'm just gonna buff this all over my face. I want to make this foundation look flawless, so I will be using my Sunya Huge Cashew Sponge. I asked the sample of this foundation, you guys, because it's expensive, like I'm saying. You know, doll doesn't have a acne, but I'm gonna be your doll with acne. So for my brows, you guys, I will be using my Anastasia pomade, and this is in medium brown. I'm going to carve these brows. I'm gonna start in the edge of my brows. Yes, ma'am. And later we are going to clean that. Yes! I like that. Okay, that's for our brows. And now let's go ahead and clean our brows with our concealer. You know what, you guys? I wish, you know, I know how to draw. Like what I'm saying, I really wish. Kaso talaga, di talaga marunong mag-drawing eh. Kinakabahan ako eh. I'm really nervous right now. You know what I'm excited the most about this look is the eyes. I'm excited and at the same time, I'm nervous. Like, you know. Bahala na anyway. Now I'm gonna highlight my face. So I'm using the same concealer. The doll's nose is very pointed. Is it pointed? I'm not really sure, but... Alright, and now it's blending time. Bahala na si Batman ito. Malay mo mag-work. I'm going to set my highlight and I'm gonna use my air spoon. And I'm going to dust this off. So first, I am going to outline my eyes. I'm really nervous right now. So from here, and I'm gonna bring my eyelids here. Yarn, diba? Good luck. I need a justice. Okay. And now let's move on to our eyeshadow. I'm gonna do this eyes first and do this one off cam. I will be using my shaded light in the shade Sage. So this is a color green. I'm gonna use this deep green right here. I'm gonna use that in my entire eyelids. Just gonna blend that like as if we know what we're doing, like I'm saying. Ooh, child. Nawala yung outline. Oh no. I'm just gonna keep blending this, and I think that's good enough. I'm using this Anastasia cream color, and this is in a jet, and I'm using my Sigma wing liners. So we're gonna create some wings. And I will be putting this here. I was like following my outline. Oh, so after that, I'm going to use my NYX white liquid liner on this spot right here. And we're gonna paint that. I'm shaking. Oh my god, this is not doing right. Fail! This is really fail, you guys. Fail! I want to do it right like I'm saying, so I'm gonna put back my foundation and just do all over again like I'm saying, because I'm not happy with it. You know, for once, this is like, I'm not gonna give up until I won't get this right. Like I'm saying, that's what life is, you know? If you want something, don't give up. So I'm not giving up. The outline here is good, but the bottom isn't. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Now, let's do it again. Like I'm saying, I'm going to blend this up here. Okay, and fill this in. Okay, so I think this is good. And now let me go ahead and draw a pupil. So I'm gonna copy my pupil color. Using my Urban Decay pencil, I'm going to draw a pupil. And using this, I'm going to fill that. And I'm gonna fill that with brown color. Whatever, so I'm just gonna go back to the green color and blend. I'm gonna blend this here. To highlight this brow bone, I will be using my Modern Renaissance, and I will be using this Primavera. Okay, you guys, so this is the closest thing that I can get. So let me just go ahead and do the other eyes, and I'll be back for the rest of our face. Like I'm saying, it's kind of creepy. My pupil is not even. Parang di sila pareha. Oh my god, so I'm gonna go back to my air spoon, and I'm going to bake this bottom here. Right here. And I'm going to smudge, and I will be getting smudger brush. I'm gonna smoke this out. And please, y'all, don't judge me, okay? Because I'm just having fun. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a lashes here, maybe just 3. And I'm gonna draw here the top. It looks like a cat. What do you call that? Hair in the mouth? Is that how you say that? Ah, Jesus. What have I done? Alright, now to contour my face, I will be using my shaded light. I think that's good, and now let's move on to our blush. So for my blush, I'm using a Pretty Vulgar, and this is just like a hot pink. Look at that. I'm gonna place this on the apple of my cheeks. And, oh no, there's a lot. Well, it's fine. And we're gonna circle this in our chin. And I'm going to contour my nose before I forgot. My nose is crooked. Okay. For my highlighter, I will be using this Ofra, and this is the Beverly Hills. I think that's it for my highlighter. And now let's move on to our lips. I'm kind of excited with the lips. So I'm taking my brush that I used earlier. I'm going to buff this all over my lips, because I will be creating a cute lips. So for my lips, you guys, I will be using the MAC, and this is in a shade Whirl. I will be outlining our lips to look bigger and better. I'm going to draw here. Let's see how big we can go, you know what I'm saying? And up here. And I'm going to shade them. Oh my god. I'm not just used to this thing. This is just ridiculous. Okay, lips. I hear ya. Girl. Like, you know what I'm saying with his lips? Like, So after my lip liner, I will be using my Sephora lipstick, and this is in the shade 76. So I'm going to put this on the top of it. This is how I look like if I get my lips done. Okay, I look like, my lips looks like somebody punched me, or my doctor is not that good, like I'm saying. Whoever inject this lips, girl, say I'm gonna sue you, what I'm saying. So okay, after that we're not done. So using my Adis, and this is a high definition liquid lipstick. I got this from my BoxyCharm. I'm going to put this on the top of it just to give us voluptuous lips. Hello lips, how are you doing? And I'm going to put a little bit of highlighter on the top of it. This lips is fa-fen, you know what I'm saying? I'm nowhere close to the Bratz, but you know, like challenging myself to create this look in front of the camera, like that's already a fulfillment for me, okay? I want to straighten my hair, but I was like, nope. So I look like a butch Bratz doll, like I'm saying, but I don't care because this thing for me is just the bomb. Like right now, I'm just like so proud of myself. I know it's not perfect, but I just had so much fun, like you're saying. So let me just go ahead and put my hair down, and I'll be back. Fail, but I don't care. Girl, we're not look alike, you know that, right? Maybe I'm your half sister. Do you hear me? When I look at myself on the monitor, I just can't not to laugh. I can't just... I look like a frustrated Bratz doll. Like I'm saying, like, girl, put your shit together because you're not belong to the Bratz doll. I own one wig only and that wig is not fluffy enough and I don't want to straighten my hair. So I decided just to use my own hair. Like I'm saying, as I've told you guys, I'm not artsy person. I don't know how to draw. That's really my, what do you call that? One of my insecurity. A lot of people's like, you don't know how to draw but you know how to put makeup on. I was like, I know. I am the person that I can't make the line straight. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm that person and I admit that. You don't need to tell me that this look right here looks crap. I knew that. I 110% believe you. I swear. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you don't like this video, it's totally fine. I hear ya, and please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Show me some love, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!
I just wanna dance.